Good morning, children. Today in our this class, we will do the next exercise, that is exercise 1.6 and exercise 1.7. In exercise 1.6, we will deal with ascending order and the descending order. Already we have done these things in our previous exercises. Now we will do with the 4-digit numbers. Let's start. As you know, children, about the ascending order, in ascending order what we do? We arrange the numbers in order starting from the smallest number to the greatest number, from smaller to bigger one. Yes. Now, you look here an example. We have been given 4 numbers here: 4532, 4632, 4512 and 4125. So among these 4 numbers, you have to find the smallest one, which is the smallest number. Okay, and you know how do we compare the numbers? All are the 4-digit numbers, na children. So we will compare the extreme left digit. So here 4, 4, 4, again 4, all are same. Now we move to the next digit, that is 5, 6, 5, 1. So which is the smallest? That is 1. So we write this number 4125 at first. Okay. Now we are left with these 3 numbers. Now among these 3 numbers, which is the next smaller one? Yes. Again you compare. Here digit 4, 4, 4. Next digit 5, 6, again 5. So 2 numbers are having digit 5. Now you compare with the third digit. Here digit is 3 and here digit is 1. So which is smallest? Yes, 4512. So next we write 4512 and in the third position we write here 4532 and at last this number is left. So we write 4632 at the last. Now we are moving to descending order. In descending order what we do, children? We start writing from the greatest number to the smallest number. Okay. So let's see an example here. 9782, 9982, 9282, 9682. Okay. All are 4-digit numbers here, you see. And starting digit is 9, 9, 9, 9. So it's same. Now check for the second digit. 7, 9, 2, 6. So we have to find the greatest one. Clear? So which is the greatest? 7, 9, 2 or 6? Yes, it is 9. So we write this number first, 9982. Now we write this number 9782. Now between these two, which is the greatest? 9682 and the last smallest is 9282. So in ascending order, we arrange numbers from smallest to greatest, and in descending order, we arrange numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay. Now let's do the exercise 1.6. Question number 1. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. I have taken here 3 questions, children, from your exercise. Okay. Now let's deal with the first number question. So here among these 4 numbers, which is the smallest one? So all are the 4-digit number, na? 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. So among these we have to find the smallest. So we compare the extreme left digit 1, 1, 1, 1. Same na? Now compare the next digit 5, 5, 5, 5. Again same. Now you compare with the third digit 3, 4, 1 and 8. Now tell me which is smallest? Yes, this one. So 1512 is the smallest one. So we put here number 1 so that we can write it at first. Okay, look. Now among these 3, we have to get the second number. So which is the smallest? 1531. Give the position 2. We write in the second position. Now third one, 1542. So write here and the largest one, the greatest one is 1588. So we write it at last. Clear? So we are arranging from the smallest number to the greatest number. Now similarly we move to the question number B, children. Again you have to find out the smallest number among this. All are 4-digit number, you may see. So now we compare the extreme left digit. Here 5, 5, 5, 5. All are same now. Now we look at the next digit. 6, 6, 7, 4. Which is the smallest? Yes, this 4. So the number 5490 is the smallest one. We write it at first. Okay, we are writing here the first number so that we can write it at the first. Now among these three, you have to get the next number. Okay, next smallest one. So again you compare 5, 5, 5. Same. 6, 6, 7. Which is smallest? Okay, any one of these two, no? Now here third digit is 8. Third digit is 9. So which is the smallest? 8. So you write this number second position and this number at the third position, and here this number is left, so we write it at last. Okay, so we are arranging from smallest to greatest. Now question number C. Our numbers are 5000, 3000, 7000, 4000. It's very simple. You can do it orally, children. So among these numbers, which is the smallest one? 5000, 3000, 7000 or 4000? Yes, 3000. So we write the 3000 at first, then 4000, then 5000 and then 7000. Yes. So what we are doing in ascending order? We are arranging the numbers from smallest one to the greatest one. Okay. And we are writing this symbol so that it will be easier for us to write the numbers. Clear? Okay. Now we are moving to our next question number B. Second number question. Arrange the numbers in descending order. We will do in descending order, children. We will start writing numbers from greatest one to the smallest one. So here we have to find the greatest number among these. Okay. Again I have taken here 3 questions, children. Now you have to find the greatest number. Now look at the A number question. We have 2784, 2874, 2487, 2480. All are 4-digit number, as you can see. So we will compare the digit at the extreme left hand side. Here 2, 2, 2, 2. Same. Now compare with the next digit. 7, 8, 4, 4. Which is the greatest one? 8. Yes. So this 2874 is the greatest one. We give it the number 1 so that we will write this greatest number at first position. Yes. Now next, this 7 is your second position, 2784. Now we have to compare between these two numbers which is greatest. Okay. So you compare 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8. Now 7 and here 0. So which is greatest, 7 or 0? 7. So you write the number 2487 and then at last we write this number 2480. So we are arranging number from greatest to smallest. Okay, so we have to find the greatest number first and we will write it at first. Now move to the question number B, children. Here again you can see 4 numbers are here. Now all are 4-digit numbers, children. Again you compare with the extreme left hand side digit. Here 6, 6, 6, 6. Same. Next digit you see 3, 0, 0, 3. So this is also 3. Here is also 3. So we have to get which is the greatest, first number or the last number. So we compare these two numbers. 6, 6, 3, 3. Here 0, here 3. Which is greatest? Yes, this number na 3. So we write 6330 at first. We give it position 1 and then we write this second number 6300. Now between these two numbers, which is the greatest one? Again you compare, children. 6, 6, 0, 0, 3, 0. So which is greatest? Yes, this 3 na. So we write this 6030 at the third position and this number left at the last. So you can see children, we are getting the greatest number first and writing the greatest number and then next greatest number and at last the smallest one is here. So from greatest to smallest we are arranging from greatest number to the smallest number. Now move to the last question number C children. Here again these are the 4-digit numbers children. So compare with the digit at the extreme left hand side 8, 8, 8, 8. Same na? Now next digit that is 4, 6, 3 and 8. So which is greatest? 4, 6, 3, 8. Yes, this one na, it is greatest. So we give it position number 1 and we write this number at first. Clear? We are writing at first. Now between these three, which is the greatest? Next number 8, 8, 8, 4, 6, 3. Which is greatest? Yes, this number 6 na. So 8643 we write at the second position. Now here 8463 and 8346. So which is greatest? Yes, is this number 8463 and this number we write at last. Clear? So here children, in the descending order we have to arrange numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, we have already done this thing. Now I will tell you how do we form the numbers from the given digits. This you have done in your previous class children, but again I will explain you because here we will form 4-digit number with the given digits. Okay, so there are some rules children. Rule number 1, to get the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order from left to right. Suppose we have been given digits 5, 9, 3 and 1 and you have to form the smallest number. So what we will do? We will arrange these digits in ascending order. Okay, so which is the smallest digit? 1, then 3, then 5, then 9. So we form number 1359. That is 1359. Clear? Now in the same way, when we have to form the greatest number from the given digit, so we arrange digits in the descending order. Okay? Again I have taken the same digits 5, 9, 3, 1. So you arrange these in the descending order. Which is the greatest one? 9, then 5, then 3, then 1. So our number is 9531. That is 9531. So the greatest number is 9531. Clear? Now there is another rule, that is rule number 3. If 0 is one of the digits, while forming the smallest number, we write the 0 at the second highest place from the extreme left. So I am showing you here. Suppose we have been given the digits 7, 2, 0 and 5 and we have to form the smallest number children. So which is the smallest digit here? Yes, definitely it is 0. But when we form the smallest number, we don't start from the 0. Okay, we write it at the second position. So after 0, which is the smallest? 2. So we write 2 at first and then we write 0. So we write 2, 0, 5, 7. Clear? From 0 you will not start when we are forming the smallest number. And when we have to form the greatest number, no problem, 0 you will place at the extreme right side at last. Okay? Again digits are here 7, 2, 0, 5. So our greatest number, arrange these in the descending order. Which is the greatest one? 7, 5, 2, 0. So our number is 7520. Okay? Only you have to take care when we are forming the smallest number. You will not start from the 0. 0 will be at the second position. Clear? It will be more clear children when we will do the exercise. Here form the smallest and the greatest number using all the digits given below. Here children, digits are here 5, 6, 7, 2, and you have to form the smallest number, and at the same time you have to form the greatest number. So when we have to form the smallest number, we will arrange in ascending order. Greatest number you arrange in descending order. So start forming the number, that is the smallest number. You tell me which is the smallest digit here. Yes, 2, then 5, then 6, then 7. So 2, 5, 6, 7. So our smallest number is 2, 5, 6, 7. That is 2567. Now this is time to form the greatest number. So our greatest number is 7, 6, 5, 2. So you write here 7, 6, 5, 2. That is 7652. Now next our digits are 1, 3, 9 and 8. So you have to form the smallest number, children. Which is the smallest digit? 1, then 3, then 8, then 9. So 1389. Now greatest number, start writing in descending order. 9, 8, 3, 1. So our greatest number is 9831. That is 9831. Okay. Now here 6075. As you remember, I told you we will not start from 0. 0 will be at the second place. So after 0, which is the smallest digit? 5. So our number is 5067. See, 5067, that is 5067. Now you have to form the greatest number. You arrange in descending order. 7650. So our number is 7650. That is 7650. Again in the same way, digits are 5430. Again you will not start from 0. You start from the next smallest digit, that is 3. So 0 will be at the second place. So 3045. 3045, that is 3045. And the greatest number, children, start from the greatest digit. 5430. 5430. Clear? Last question, children. Digits are 1319. So which is the smallest? 1, again 1, then 3, then 9. So 1139. 1139. Now which is the greatest number, children? 9311. So 9311. Okay. It's very simple. When we are forming the smallest number, we arrange in ascending order, and when we form the greatest number, we arrange in descending order. Only when we have digit 0, you will not start from 0. 0 will be at the second position. Okay. I hope it will be clear. Now it's time for home assignment, children. Your homework is, you will practice all the sums in your rough copy, and you will solve exercise 1.6, question number 1, question number 2, ascending order and descending order, and exercise 1.7, forming numbers from the given digits in your notebook. If you have any query, children, then you can ask me through the message through the Campus Care app. Do your work neatly in your maths copy. If you don't have new maths copy, I have told you, you may do in your old copy. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.